Hi, Ed Walden here, Walden Madden Real Estate, Keller Williams Alaska Group, right here in Fairbanks, Alaska. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the Fed interest rates and what's happened today. So the Fed Chairman, Jerome Powell, just came out and raised the interest rates again, 50 basis points or half a point. And what kind of effect does that have on us in the real estate industry, especially up here in Alaska? And I'd like to chat about that interest rate and what the economy's doing a little bit with you for a couple minutes. Wow. So we're looking at 4.25 to 4.5% as a target Fed rate right now. What is that doing to the real estate mortgage interest rates? We see some the VA stuff sneaking down to the high fives, but most everything is up in the high sixes, and it seems like it's going to stay that way for a little bit. It doesn't look like it's going to move up today anyway. And based on what the conference was earlier this afternoon, it looks as if we have made 7 different separate increases over the course of the last few months, and we've gone pretty aggressive with those rate increases in order to kind of stifle the economy a little bit, maybe slow down inflation a little bit. Inflation was 9.1 consumer price index. It slowed down to 7.1. I think that's all positive. Our job market is really strong, a little over 3%. Unemployment, that's really strong. Well, how does that affect our buyers and sellers here in Alaska and Fairbanks and North Pole specifically? I think what it's created is kind of a lock-in effect. And that lock-in effect, which I'll talk more on in a separate video, is where sellers have a great interest rate on their home at maybe 3% or 4%, even high twos, and they're staying in that home because they don't want to sell that home and forced to be buy another home where the interest rates are high sixes. It costs a lot more money, and it's affordability. So what we're looking at is we've been going kind of aggressive. The Fed has with the interest rates. I think it'll slow down a little bit now. They're going to wait and see what's going to happen with the inflation over the course of the next couple of months. I anticipate maybe 2023 first quarter may flatten out a little bit. I don't think rates will go down, but I think they'll stay consistent. My suggestion is we follow this. I follow it specifically really closely, as well as our loan originators and our partners at First Rate Financial. Give us a call, 907-452-3000. My name is Ed. Give me a call. I'd love to sit down and talk to you, see what our strategy is about selling your house this summer. We've got a few programs coming up in 2023 that may help, and I'd love to talk to you about it. Thanks.